A five-member team treks a remote canyon when a sudden flash flood forces them to improvise and rethink their plan. They locate a clear stream, purify with improvised boiling, and ration their intake while foraging edible greens and insects. Shelter becomes a limestone overhang and a poncho tarp setup, secured with cords from trekking poles, insulation from pine needles. Morale lifts as a shared watch schedule, humor about tiny victories, and storytelling keeps spirits high during the long wait. In the end, they emerge wiser, mapping skills like shelter, water, food, and teamwork into a practical checklist for any wild crossing.